Hey, Goldie wants y'all to know that the struggle you're in today is the strength you need for tomorrow. That's right, so let's keep singing until we develop that voice that we are working so hard for.
Yo, what's good? So, sometime what you gotta do is you gotta do what it takes to train.
Alright, straight mic right now, no reverb. How do I say goodbye to what we had? The good times that made us laugh outweigh the bad. I thought we get to see forever, but forever's gone away, and it's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. I don't know where this road is going to lead. All I know is where we've been and what we've been through. And if we get to see tomorrow, I hope it's worth all the wait. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. It's great, man. Just testing my voice quality. You know what I'm saying? I need some feedback from your coach. Let me know what the 411 is. That's what I'm doing in the lab right now. Trying to test my voice quality, man, and see where I'm at. We could get the cricks and crayons out here, man. You know what I'm saying? So I'm working, bro. Working. This is behind the scenes right here, a training. You know what I'm saying? So this is how it go down, man. You got to train. You know what I mean? So it is what it is, man. So and at the same time, motivation for anybody trying to be an inspired singer. Anybody trying to got to understand this journey ain't an easy journey. You know what I'm saying? Don't focus on your voice. Focus on your passion. Focus on your drive. Are you motivated to really train your voice? Because it ain't overnight. I was training a year and a half right now, and I'm still not satisfied a year and a half later. So only thing I can say is just keep on pushing. I'm going to do a cappella now with some reverb. How do I say goodbye to what we had? The good times that made us laugh outweigh the bad. I thought we get to see forever, but forever's gone away. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. This little acapella right quick, man. Just checking out different tones and tune so we can get everything tuned up. You feel me?
Say goodbye to what we had. The good times that made us laugh outweigh the bad. I thought we'd get to see together, but forever's gone away. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. I don't know where this road is going to lead. All I know is where we've been and what we've been through. And if we get to see tomorrow, I hope it's worth all the way. And it's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. And I'll take with me the memory to be your sunshine after the rain. And it's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday.
That right there with a little bit of reverb, man. Just testing it out, That's all.
How do I say goodbye to what we had? The good times that made us laugh outweigh the bad. I thought we'd get to see forever, but forever's gone away. And it's so hard to say goodbye yesterday. I don't know where this road is going to lead. All I know is where we've been and what we've been through. And if we get to see tomorrow, yesterday.
So right there, man, that right there, that just raw, straight on the mic right there. That ain't no reverb, that ain't no effect or nothing. That just direct on the mic, all right?